Hey, Kevin with ManKitchenRecipes. Today I went back and got some more green chilies, but I got them from Walmart, and Walmart is not roasting due to COVID. So what do you do when you can't get them roasted? Well, you bring them home and roast them yourself. So we are roasting them on the grill. Look at that. Just get them all nice and blistered. When they're done blistered, you throw them in a plastic bag down there at the bottom. They'll stay in there for 3 or 4 hours. Here's the fresh ones. Yep. I think I have a picture of everybody standing in line at Walmart. Check this out. How about that? It's kind of popular here. You just, see where the skin still is, and flip it over to that side, and let them roll. And there looks done. So we're going to take this one, pop it into our bag, just like that. So if you ever buy any raw green chilies, this is a great way to roast them up, and they smell amazing. Okay, that batch is down. Get another batch rolling here. Now, some people might be wondering, how long does it take to roast a 25-pound box of green chilies? Well, it usually takes about a 6-pack. Best thing, doing them yourself on your own grill and blistering them yourself. You can usually get them blistered up, keep them on there long enough so when you do go to peel them, they peel really easy. Alright, I'm going to load this up. We got it loaded up again. We'll close the lid for, I don't know, for like 5 minutes, maybe 5 to 10 minutes anyway. I'll bring you back when you can hear the snap, crackle, pop. Okay, wanted to mention my burners are all on high. Alright, it's been about 7 minutes or so. Hear that? Snap, crackle, pop going on in here. It's not the cereal. It smells way better. Ooh, hot baby. Last 3. Now, we're going to tie up this bag and let them steam for about 3 to 4 hours. And they'll be ready to bag in the quart-sized bags. That's all there is to it. So there you go. If you get a chance to get some fresh green chilies, Hatch Green Chiles, don't be afraid to get them. You can roast them in your propane grill. I could probably have done it on the pit boss. It would have been slower because I would have had to put them right over the flame. But hey, any way you got to do it, get it done. Enjoy some Hatch Green Chiles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.